So these are the principles we were given to learn. Principle 1.1 is retrieval over just rereading your notes. Principle 1.2 is interleave, so mixing in new ideas with old ideas. Principle 1.3 is spacing it out, so just like digestion, you have to space out what you learn. Principle 1.4 is elaborate, so using old things to help you learn new concepts. Principle 1.5 is sleep. Sleep leads to consolidated memory, and the value equation is reward times probability to succeed over delay times impulsiveness plus 1. And then principle 2.1 is feelings of belongingness, autonomy, and competence. Make us feel good and is a rewarding feeling. Principle 2.2 is procrastination. We procrastinate because there's something better than what we're supposed to be doing, and that's why we do that. Principle 2.3 is Principle 2.3 is lack of confidence leads to lack of motivation. Principle 2.4 is the further in the future something is, the less we're likely to pay attention or care about it. Principle 2.5 is habits, whether they're good or bad, they're a shortcut in decision making. Principle 3.1 is 3.1. What is 3.1? Principle 3.1 is when we make mistakes is when we learn. So when our predictions are wrong is when we learn. Principle 3.2 is everything gets boring eventually. Principle 3.3 is novice plus practice equals expert. And then weakness 1 is impatience. So our brains are impatient, and they're going to try to skip steps in learning, which in the long run can lead to less rewards. Weakness number 2 is insecurities, when our brain tries to avoid making mistakes, but mistakes are what lead to learning. And weakness 3 is laziness. Our brains are lazy, so they're going to try to avoid or take the easiest way into learning, and which sometimes can lead to just dropping something altogether. And then strength 1 is being able to adapt. Our brains are intelligent, so they're able to adapt quickly to new environments, and which we find rewarding. And strength 2 is our brains are able to recognize when we make mistakes and then try to avoid them in the future. And that is all of them.